Hey friends, good morning. So yeah, I'm just taking a look at the air filter condition of the air filter of the Royal Enfield Machismo 500. So I just took the air filter off from the box, right? It's on the right hand side box. It was placed this way. So I just took this off and found that I think it is quite bad condition, right? The entire fins inside are have lost its integrity, and it looks like it's gone, and also the particular part is cut. The rubber is cut and the mesh is exposed and all sort of things. So yes, anyway, so I went and got myself a brand new air filter for the bike, Royal Enfield genuine spares. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and install this particular air filter into the box and be done with that one particular job, right? It's very easy. So all you need to do is there is this plate on top of this, and there was this bolt, right? You just need to take this bolt off and air filter comes out. Then you go ahead and install the new one back in the same position, put this plate and put the bolt in. That's about it, and then you should be done. Okay, so this is the air filter which we are going to install. I've got this out of the box, right? You can see the difference in the old and the new, right? So it's a huge difference between the old and the new. So the fins need to be intact. Yeah. So I think going here and installing this, I think once I do that, I think it's going to be peace of mind for next say few months at least, right? So I'll need to align this properly and then put the screw. So sorry, I'm not able to record this any further because I need to install this particular bolt and don't have any help today for recording. So yeah, so please bear with me. So yeah, you just need to put this screw back and do a hand tight, and then you should be done. So yeah, so here we are done with installing the new air filter. So now we can go and close this box and fire up the bike and see if all is well. Okay. Alright my friends, so bike is started normally as always in a single kick. So yeah, changing the air filter on a periodic basis is not only going to help the engine breathe better, but also supply very clean filtered air to your engine system, and also help you in terms of your overall ride quality, and also startability, and all of those things, combustion, etc., etc. So do change it, make it a point to get your air filters replaced on a periodic basis. This is definitely in a bad condition, guys. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and happy to discuss. Thank you.